So with the plugin installed in your project, you can go to the editor mode, open the 2D editor, and that's where you can start drawing patterns. First, if you want to, you can load in a background image. If you imported it into your content drawer, just drag and drop. And start drawing there. Both Bezier and linear points. You can edit them, separate tangents, and then once you have all your shapes, it's reminding you to generate the meshes first. So you can see them here. They're generated in the 3D view. Then you can start placing your sewing points. So you place your sewing points, so start end on the first shape, and then start end on the second, and you do that for all the seams you want to sew. Once you're happy with that, you can sew the other ones, but don't have to, because it's aligning it in the viewport and then merging it. So as long as each piece is sewn to any of the other ones, it works. And then you just arrange them around your collision shape, so the rotations match, and then once you click sew, they all align in the 3D view. So here, now they're all aligned. You can just place it a bit better. And then if you're happy with it, merge the mesh, and then it's one skeleton mesh that's saved in your plugin folder, so in cloth design assets, as a merged cloth pattern. And then you just open it in the skeleton mesh editor, create clothing data, apply the clothing data. You can set some simulation settings just to improve the iteration and subdivision count, and then just paint the full mesh. And then deactivate the mode again. And then there's your mesh. You can set up, then it's ready to simulate. You can set up a different material if you want, and also different presets, so like denim, or the other ones are leather, silk, and jersey. So they just all have slightly different settings and look different, to kind of imitate real fabric. And then just to show some more features of the drawing, so you have your Bezier points and the linear points, so you click B or N for that, and then you hit enter when you're happy with your shape. You can still edit it, but it just means it's finalized and ready to be generated if you want, and to be sewn. And then you can edit it, and if you press S on the keyboard, you can make you can separate the tangent handles for if you want that control. And then just to show the loading of a mesh. So for example, a shirt mesh. Yeah, you just select whichever one you previously did, and the shapes are there, and you can edit them or sew them. Yeah, so you can edit them if you want to. And then just to show one more feature, that's the sewing. So if you place the sewing points in the right direction, so the first, so start end and start end, then the starts and the end points match up. But if you place them the other way around, you can see it indicates that. So yeah, it's just to visualize that.